Curious about the latest iPhone 15 Pro and its AI features? Welcome to our comprehensive review. Today, we're exploring the new iPhone 15 Pro, a marvel of technology with its dynamic island design, the powerhouse A17 Bionic chip, an always-on display, and a much-awaited upgrade to a USB-C port. This is just the tip of the iceberg. There's so much more to this device that sets it apart. Stay tuned as we delve into the specifications and AI features that make the iPhone 15 Pro a game-changer. Wondering what sets the iPhone 15 Pro apart? Let's dive into the specifications that make this device a standout. The camera system on this model is truly impressive, boasting a 48-megapixel main sensor. This ensures sharper low-light photos, capturing every detail even in dim light conditions. It also includes a new telephoto lens with a 5x optical zoom, enabling you to capture distant subjects with exceptional clarity. The iPhone 15 Pro is built with a titanium construction, renowned for its strength, lightness and resistance to corrosion and scratches. This gives the phone an incredibly sturdy build, while maintaining a sleek and lightweight design. This powerhouse of a phone is expected to have up to 8 GB of RAM. This means it can handle more demanding tasks with ease, providing a smooth and swift user experience. The storage capacity is equally impressive, with options going up to 1 TB. This is the most storage ever offered in an iPhone, allowing you to store a vast array of photos, videos, apps, and files. The display is another key aspect of the iPhone 15 Pro. It offers a 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR display with a smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. This, combined with HDR10 and Dolby Vision support, ensures a stunning visual experience. The battery life has been upgraded too, allowing for up to 23 hours of video playback. That's a significant improvement from the iPhone 14 Pro's 20-hour estimate. The audio experience of the iPhone 15 Pro is also noteworthy. It retains the stereo speaker system from the iPhone 14 Pro, but introduces Spatial Audio Pro for an even more immersive audio experience. As for water resistance, the iPhone 15 Pro is anticipated to withstand water up to 6 meters deep for 30 minutes, ensuring your device is protected against accidental submersion. Running on iOS 17, the device features an improved lock screen, new widgets, and an updated notification system. And with a 6-core GPU, it offers substantial graphics enhancements and top-tier gaming performance. With such impressive specifications, the iPhone 15 Pro is a powerhouse. What role does AI play in the iPhone 15 Pro's features? This is a question that many of you may be asking. Well, let me tell you, the answer is quite a lot. Firstly, you'll find AI enhancing the camera performance. The 48-megapixels main sensor will be assisted by AI in low-light conditions, reducing noise and improving image detail. This means your photos will be sharper and clearer, even in less than ideal lighting conditions. Next up, we have cinematic mode upgrades. The AI in the iPhone 15 Pro will enable tracking multiple subjects and post-shoot focus adjustments. This essentially means that your videos will be more dynamic and professional-looking. Then there are the AI-driven display features. The always-on display will intelligently manage brightness and refresh rate using AI. This includes adaptive font sizes and dynamic app icons, so your display will always be optimally lit and easy to read. The A17 Bionic chip is also enhanced by AI. A faster neural engine in the A17 chip will power AI-driven features, enhancing machine learning tasks and camera functions. This means faster processing, better performance, and a smoother user experience. Finally, Siri is also improved with the A17 Bionic chip for better performance, personalized assistance, and proactive suggestions. Siri will be more helpful and intuitive than ever, thanks to the power of AI. Clearly, AI has a significant role in enhancing the user experience on the iPhone 15 Pro. So whether you're a professional photographer or just love taking photos and videos, the iPhone 15 Pro and its AI features are sure to impress. So, is the iPhone 15 Pro worth the hype? Let's recap. With a 48MP main sensor and 5x optical zoom, this phone is a photographer's dream. The titanium construction adds durability without compromising on sleekness. The 8 GB of RAM and a whopping 1 TB of storage make multitasking a breeze and ensure you never run out of space for your photos, apps, and files. The Super Retina XDR display, combined with a refresh rate of 120 Hz, promises a visual treat. And the battery? It gives you an impressive 23 hours of video playback. The stereo speaker system and Spatial Audio Pro provide an immersive audio experience, while water resistance up to 6 meters adds to its robustness. The AI enhancements in the camera, display, and the A17 Bionic chip take user experience to a whole new level. And let's not forget the 4 new titanium colors that make this device a style statement. The iPhone 15 Pro, with its advanced specifications and AI features, is indeed a technological marvel worth exploring.